So, walk round of Windhover, which is a 1995 GT Boatbuilders shell in the traditional style, fitted out by Brad Andrews, just under 62 foot long. It's got windows along most of the length with brass portholes at the aft. Two sets of side doors, one port, one starboard, both with roof hatches. Got a very large well deck with a nice cratch cover over. So plenty of room there for entertaining. There's also storage lockers in there as well. Now we'll step inside the boat. Stepping inside, forward saloon. Got a sofa bed, an ottoman, solid fuel stove. Does also benefit from diesel heating. It's got a fairly new auto turn diesel heater to radiators. Bench seat with Desmo table. Moving down into the galley. Usual LPG appliances, 230 volt fridge, plenty of cupboards and drawers in here, and side doors both sides. Got basin and drop through toilet into a holding tank. Does have a bath with a shower head. Down into the bedroom at the aft. Permanent double with storage under, along with a calorifier. It's got drawers under the bed as well. Wardrobes and cupboards, with more cupboards over the bed as well. And into the aft cabin here. So under the deck we've got a Leicester HW2 water-cooled twin cylinder Leicester to a PRM hydraulic gearbox. Single lever control, also benefits from galvanic isolator and a Sterling Pro Combi inverter charger. So this is Windhover. Further details on our website abnb.co.uk.